wet sanding and buffing today.
Oh, you scared me.
I came around the corner slick. So Nikki's wet sanding right now. So this is what, by hand with 1500 that you're doing?
Yep.
Yep. So did you already do the back half? And
I did the hood is buffed, and then the whole back half is up to 5,000.
Cool. So yeah, this hasn't been buffed or polished yet, and you can see how smooth and clear. So then she has the hood buffed, so this still needs polished. We are also almost done with this thing. So today, final blocking should be all finished, and then I can paint this tomorrow. So I'm not sure, I might paint the roof separate from the car so I don't run the risk of touching the side while I'm trying to spray the roof. Even when you stand on something, you gotta like really balance. And if I like lost my balance and fell into it, it'd be catastrophic on a candy. So we might do those separate just to be safe, but I haven't fully decided on that yet. So now we're just final blocking with 320. So we'll go ahead and get that done. Well, Nikki's gonna get that done. I am going to finish the bumpers and the hood and the trunk. So this trunk lip we actually molded in. I did the 2-part panel bond and a little bit of finishing icing to make that perfect. So that'll be all nice and smooth. That'll stop any compound from getting in there.
Motherfuckers know who this is. Y'all motherfuckers know who this is. Y'all motherfuckers know. Y'all motherfuckers know who this is. Y'all motherfuckers know.
Nikki is almost all buffed and polished. Well, actually, this is just the first stage of buffing, I believe. Yep, still on buff. How's it buffing?
Pretty good. Pain in the butt.
Yeah. All the little nooks and crannies.
Body lines are crazy.
Edges.
Mm-hmm.
How's your back?
Can't use this very much, so I gotta use my drill. And my drill polisher. Looking pretty good.
So we did decide to go ahead and shoot the roof separate. So I'm gonna do the roof and I'm gonna do these outside pieces. So like I said, this will stop me from touching the candy down here. I'm gonna go ahead and do the roof, or the side skirts also. Not doing the diffuser. I'm gonna do all these parts and the door handles. I need to fix that, tape that better, and finish cutting this. So yeah, the roof of this will be painted today. So you can see how I have the tape or the plastic cut right in the middle of the tape. You just slide a razor blade on that and then peel it up. Same thing around the edge of this. You just tape super close. And then I like to go in with a fine line tape and just lay it anywhere that looks like it might need a little bit, like right there. I need to cut that corner and do that with some fine line tape. But yeah, I'm gonna do all that detail work and get that done and get this painted.
Dressed tight now, and I just want my credit. Don't get it twisted or dreaded. I am the king and will not be headed to the mall no time soon, brethren. Being broke made my head hurt, so I need the bread or an Excedrin that I only get my engine revving. When y'all on 10, I'm on 11. I'ma make the news be on and said it. Matter of fact, I'm on this very second. I'm in first and y'all in second, and this verse only adds to the pressure. Call to the club, tell them add to the guest list. What you think? Way more bitches. I can never be too big for my britches. Y'all motherfuckers know who this is. I'm gifted. Merry Christmas.
Another day of working. So Nikki is wet sanding this hood. And we got the Jeep done. So there's still a couple little pieces to go. So I had to spray that. So I forgot about that. And that's really about it. So right now, I am in process of chiseling out this old seam sealer, getting it all clean out of all the nooks and crannies. I'm gonna try to get this primed either today or tomorrow. And then doing the underside of the rockers, treating all the little spots of rust, grinding out all the old seam sealer out of all the edges. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. This is that G body that we've been working on. So this will be the first thing in primer. And we done. What do you think, Jessica?
Looks great. Looks super shiny.
I'm looking.
Also looks like a swimming pool, but
There it is.
the paint looks.
Yeah, Jesse keeps saying this looks like a pool,
It does.
like a kiddie
It's
pool.
a diving board, and then the pool. It's like the perfect color of a swimming pool.
She's all done though.
Just finito.
So the new windshield will be here Friday. He's gonna get it. The glass guy's gonna go over to his house to do it. So she's leaving tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna stay a little late and just get it all cleaned up. I got a couple little things to do, but not much.
And you got prime.
Oh yeah, and I have to prime some stuff.
Prime, buddy.
Yep. Prime stuff for Jesse.
And yourself. And yourself, okay? Stuff in the boot.
Yep, pretty happy with it.
Yeah, it turned out really nice. It's super flat. It's really flat, actually.
Yup.
No thanks to you.
Yeah. Bye.
See you later, bud.
Be careful.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.